Amsoil V-Twin Oil Change Kit HDBK combines everything needed to perform an Amsoil oil change on most 1999 to 2016 and later Harley Davidson motorcycles in one convenient package. The Amsoil V-Twin Oil Change Kit includes 4 quarts of Amsoil 20W50 synthetic V-Twin motorcycle oil that resists viscosity breakdown 6 times better than Harley Davidson Sin 3 for improved protection against compensator and transmission gear wear. It includes 1 black Amsoil motorcycle oil filter and 1 drain plug O-ring. The Amsoil motorcycle oil filter features advanced full synthetic media that traps and holds a greater amount of small, wear-causing contaminants compared to conventional and other high-efficiency filters. Its excellent efficiency maximizes wear protection, helping equipment run at peak efficiency and last longer. Click the link in the description below to learn how to save up to 25% and get free shipping on Amsoil products.